For this tutorial example, I'm going to show you how to upscale a 540 pixel resolution file to 4K quality with minimal detail loss, and in just 2 clicks. I'll show you the best practices depending on the type of image or video you're working with. And of course, we'll look at a real side-by-side comparison so you can see the incredible improvement that happens when using the script. First, let's drag the video clip into the composition. Let's select the script from the window menu. Use the Expand Resolution slider to easily scale your footage with minimal quality loss. Or even better, utilize the Fit to Height or Fit to Width buttons to automatically match your design, image, or video perfectly to your composition size. Next, choose from one of our handy presets, low, medium, or high, for an instant quality boost. When applying the script for the first time, a message will appear recommending you to use full resolution to see the actual changes. Why? Because if you use a different resolution, the image won't show the real result and will appear distorted. Let's zoom in a bit to better see the details. The low preset provides a smoother, softer appearance, while the high preset gives you greater detail, but also harder edges. It's that easy, just 2 clicks to get amazing results. If you want to fine-tune things even more, simply adjust the script settings to achieve the exact look you want. Enhance. Adjust the level of detail in your footage. You can increase this to get even more fine detail. Smooth. Softens the image slightly to reduce harsh edges. Values between 1 and 5 usually work great. Reduce noise. Cleans up any noise in your image. Depending on your footage, this can be especially helpful. For this particular clip, I don't find it necessary to apply this setting. Now comes what everyone's been waiting for, a real-time comparison to see the improvement the script makes. Well, good news, it's as simple as clicking the Compare with Original button. The result is incredible. With 1 click, the layer is duplicated, resized to match the original, and all the script adjustments are removed. The results with animated video clips are just as impressive. Let's apply the script to this animation clip with just 2 clicks, and then hit the Compare button. The improvement is so obvious, you can see it instantly at a glance. Personally, when I work with vector illustrations, I prefer to use the low preset because it gives us smoother results. Two more quick tips. Whenever you switch footage, click the Refresh UI button to quickly update the panel settings for your new selection. Lastly, the Reset button will effortlessly restore all parameters to their default settings. That's it. Now you're all set to create stunning, high-resolution content with ease.